the best bang for your buck scooter in 2021? Hey guys, it's Sam from Tech Fusions. Hope you're well and safe, and today we've got an unboxing and first impressions of the iEZway M365 Pro scooter. Let's jump straight into this. If we take a look at the front of the box, it's got a few key features on the box. The scooter has stable speed, it's got power recycling, so that's basically the power regen, and it's got a few other features which we'll cover later in this video. On top of the box there's simple infographics which tells you how to actually assemble the scooter, which are pretty handy. The first item out of the box is the charger, the power brick, so let's put that to the side for now. And then after this we've got the electric scooter, which comes in one piece, which is really good. Also in the box there's an instruction manual with 4 screws and this little Phillips tool to screw it all in. Assembling the scooter is actually really easy. All you had to do was pop the handle up, lock it in using the locking mechanism on the front, which is really easy to use. At first you might think that it won't go in, but just give it a bit of force so it clicks in place. Once you've got the handlebar up, you just have to screw in the 4 screws at the top of the handle. So there's 4 Phillips screws. They're a bit fiddly, but once you screw them in, you're ready to go. It's really simple and took me about, I don't know, maybe about 20 minutes to get it assembled. After taking out the box, removing all the packaging, it was ready to go. Then we come to my favourite part of any unboxing, the peeling off the little plastic bit. You know, when you get a new gadget, you peel it off and then brand new, nice and fresh. Is that just me? Do you like doing that? Let us know in the comments down below. If you're enjoying the video so far, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button to show us you're enjoying the video. It also helps the video go out to other viewers and recommenders so our channel can grow. So thank you in advance. So now we have removed the plastic on top, let's power on the scooter. When you're powering on the screen, you can see a digital display on top of the scooter, like the Xiaomi M365 Pro. We have the digital display along with the battery life and what mode the scooter is in. There are 3 different modes to the scooter. That's Eco, Drive and Sport. Obviously I'm going to put in Sport. I don't care about the other 2. I want to go as fast as possible. Within reason, of course, don't worry about that. It's got a nice bright display so you can clearly see this outside, which big thumbs up for me. Double pressing the button on top will actually activate the light, the LED light on the front. This is nice and bright. I'm really impressed with the light on this scooter actually. Really good quality. It will also activate the light on the rear, which blinks now and again to indicate that you got your lights on. Now it's out of the box, let's take a closer look at this scooter. Taking a closer look at the scooter, I'm a massive fan of the build quality and look and feel of this scooter. It's got that nice solid aluminium feel and it's got that red and black design that looks menacing. I said this about the Fuse scooter, it kind of gives me kind of a Star Wars Sith kind of look, a Darth Vader, a Phantom Menace, Darth Maul, that kind of look, maybe a Kylo Ren kind of vibe. I really like the style of the scooter. I noticed a couple little things which I thought, oh that's nice they included that. So let's go over those little features now. I like these like plastic cover bits around the wires, so normally you would have to pay extra for that if you had a Xiaomi. This is included with the iEZway M365 Pro. It just gives you another level of protection on the scooter. Another great feature of the scooter is the bell. Now I've never actually seen this type of bell on a scooter. On the Xiaomi it's also built into the clip where you fold it down, but this, it's got the bell on the side and it's nice and loud. It's just these subtle little things that makes the user experience that much better when riding the scooter. Taking a look down the scooter has this platform which has rubber grip on top, which is going to be really handy while you're riding the scooter. Other scooters we reviewed, they had kind of a skateboard kind of texture on top which would easily get scratched. Wasn't a fan of that. I much prefer this rubber grip on the bottom. Going over to the tyres, now you might think, why is there holes around the tyres? Well, this is a honeycomb design tyre, so they're actually solid rubber. It's an anti-skid rubber tyre, so the tyres are solid, which can affect the ride if they don't have air inside, but you may know the Xiaomi's are prone to punctures, and when they get a puncture it's a pain to change. So be glad you got the solid tyres and you never have to replace the tyres unless they're worn down. You won't get a puncture, so you don't have to worry about punctures. One less thing to worry about is always a good thing. So the tyres are 8.5 inches. They're the kind of like the standard size you see on electric scooters. There is 10-inch tyres. Let me know your preference of tyre size down below. Bit of a weird question there, but I want to know. And they also include this dual braking system, so they've got the actual physical brake at the back, and then they have electronic brake at the front as well, which should stop you nice and quickly. Folding down the scooter is really simple. All you need to do is unclip that locking mechanism at the front, then you can fold the scooter down, and it's really easy to pick up and carry. Now we've unboxed the scooter, let's take it outside and let's take it for a spin. So as I mentioned, the scooter's got 3 modes: Eco, Drive and Sport. So in Sports mode it can go a max of 20 miles per hour, which is more than fast enough for an electric scooter in my personal opinion. After that it gets a bit dangerous, especially with potholes on the road and other stuff on the path. I always wear a helmet when I'm riding my electric scooter, so I recommend you guys wear a helmet too. Just a bit of safety and a bit of common sense really with these electric scooters about town. On a single charge the range can last between 18 to 22 miles, so quite good battery life on this scooter. It's a 350 watt motor, so same as the Xiaomi M365 Pro, but how does that translate into actually taking it out for a ride? So taking the scooter out and about, I love electric scooters, so every time I jump on one it always brings a smile to my face. So it was no different taking this scooter out and about. It's really interesting to ride using these airless tyres. It was a bit firmer actually to ride than what I'm used to on a Xiaomi scooter, but there's no worry of the scooter getting a puncture, which is great. The scooter was nimble and easy to control. As I mentioned before, the platform is very grippy, so standing on the scooter it didn't feel like any point I was going to slip off, and it was just great to take out and about. I really enjoyed my first ride with the scooter. Again, it's got the similar styling to the Xiaomi, which I really enjoy. The look and feel. I feel like the scooters, if you're buying into a scooter, you want it to look good and perform well. So having the looks ticked is great for me personally. So when we're taking the scooter out and about, you can see Jack in the front with his Xiaomi M365 Pro. We also did a review on this, link be in the description down below. If you want to see a video of the iEZway versus the Xiaomi, let us know in the comments down below. I think that would be a great video to give to you guys to see the difference between these two scooters. One thing to bear in mind with this scooter is only £250 brand new from the website, and that comes with 2 years warranty. How amazing is that? So yeah, first impressions, I was really enjoying my ride with the iEZway M365 Pro scooter. It was awesome to take out and about around town. It's quite easy to take out and about. It's only 12 kg, so that's light compared to some electric scooters, and it's really easy to fold down, pick up and take out and about with you. As you can see on the first ride, we took it over some smooth surfaces, over some bumpy surfaces. Some of the bumpy surfaces were really kind of jarring, but when you're on a smooth stretch, it was nice and easy to ride along the path. So this has been the unboxing and first look of the electric scooter. If there's anything you want to know, please let us know in the comments down below. We're going to be releasing a full review on the scooter, so that includes speed tests, that includes durability, that's be comparing it to other scooters as well that we tried out. Let us know in the comments down below what kind of things you want to know in the full review. If you're watching this video in the future, we might already have the review out, so it might be in the top right hand corner, so go and check it out. I'm really looking forward to using this scooter more, taking it out and about and having fun on the scooter. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you're new. We create content on electric scooters, drones, phones, all kinds of things. So go and subscribe to our channel, it'd be greatly appreciated. Again, the link for the scooter is in the description down below. This has been Sam from Tech Fusions. Please comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next Tech Fusions video.